Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the cursor where you want the emoji, then press Control-Command-Space. That opens the picker instantly. Once the panel appears, you'll see categories, recently used items, and a search bar. Use them to find the right symbol faster. Make sure to enable the keyboard and emoji viewers in system settings if the shortcut doesn't respond, because Mac OS needs that permission. This gets you into the tool without delay and explains why the system shortcut is the fastest route. You'll now refine selection. Type a keyword in the search bar to narrow hundreds of icons down to a few options, because searching is quicker than scrolling. Once you see candidates, click and hold to reveal skin tones or alternate forms. This ensures accuracy in expression. Also, pay attention to the recently used row. Mac OS learns your favorites over time. Once done, drag an emoji into a text field or click it to insert. This is how you control speed and personalization. You finish by clicking an emoji to insert it where your cursor sits. If you prefer keyboard navigation, use Tab and return to pick and place. Once done, close the picker with Escape or press Control-Command-Space again to toggle it off. If the panel fails to appear, make sure the emoji viewer is enabled in keyboard settings, quit and reopen the app, or restart your Mac. This usually resolves permission or process hiccups. That troubleshooting step quickly gets you back to typing emojis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.